Kaninang umaga, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ng mga kasama sa Makabayan Block na banggit na sa amin na opisyal na hindi tinanggap yung kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaya kami may prepared statement na kami tungkol dito sa ginawa dahil na-anticipate na namin na talaga magkakaproblema sa mismong pag-file namin. At katulad nga na nangyari, at na-anticipate namin, ganun nga. So if I will be allowed to read the statement, to be clear, distribute na lang siguro. The refusal of the Office of the Secretary General of the House of Representatives to accept the impeachment complaint is a clear violation of both the rules of the House and the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Under the Constitution, the House of Representatives has the sole power to initiate impeachment proceedings. The rules of the House explicitly provide a ministerial duty for the Office of the Secretary General to receive and record impeachment complaints that are duly filed. There is no discretion given to the Secretary General to reject, screen, delay, or block such filings. By refusing to accept the complaint, the office effectively usurps the constitutional authority of the House itself and denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. If I may repeat that, by refusing, it denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. Impeachment is not a political favor. It is a constitutional right. It is the only formal process through which citizens, through their representatives, can seek accountability from the highest official of the land. To block this process is not merely procedural error. It is a constitutional violation, an obstruction of a lawful remedy, and a direct assault on the people's right to petition government for redress of grievances. The House of Representatives exists to serve the people, not to shield those in power from scrutiny. The rules are clear. The Constitution is clear. The duty is clear. And no office has the authority to silence the people's voice. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. If I may distribute this.
Meron ako idadagdag, sandali lang, dadagdag ko lang. Yung impeachment complaint is actually a people's complaint. Yun lang. So, hindi kailangang pigilan ang reklamo ng taong bayan. It's a people's complaint. It's a constitutional process na nasa constitution natin na pinoprovide para sa ating lahat.
So, ako naman, wala na akong idadagdag. Okay na yun.
Anong masasabi niyo hindi tinanggap yung impeachment complaint?
Sino?
Hindi tinanggap.
Yun nga, sa hindi pagtanggap nila, it is not only a violation of the rules, but of course of the Constitution. At ang mas mahalaga, ito lang kasi ang paraan ng taong bayan na magreklamo sa nakaupong Pangulo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa ombudsman. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa korte. Sa ginawa nilang to, parang tinatanggal nila yung karapatan ng taong bayan na magkaroon ng maayos, legal na pagreklamo doon sa nakikitang problema sa nakaupong presidente.
Bakit ginawa niyo rin ba yung ginawa ng Makabayan kanina na nag-iwan kayo ng kopya ng complaint sa Office of the Secretary?
Hindi.
Hindi, nag-iwan kami.
Nag-iwan ba tayo?
Wait, ako lang.
Okay.
Nag-iwan kami, pero hindi nila tinanggap. We attempted, and we have recorded every possible conversation we had with...
So, a copy of your complaint is not inside the Office of the Secretary?
Hindi nila tinanggap.
Sir, what are the grounds for impeachment and for what?
We will be discussing this at another time. Ang tingin namin ang dapat natin pag-usapan ngayon, yung mismong, kasi yung sa maraming pagkakataon sa Korte Suprema, may decision na about impeachment complaints. In fact, the recent decision was on the Vice President. At mabigat tong hindi pagtanggap, hindi namin maintindihan kasi hindi naman si Secretary General Cheloy ang sinasabi nung saligang batas. Ang sinasabi ng saligang batas, yung opisina. Dapat i-receive nila yun.
Sir, but the broad strokes
Briefly, betrayal of public trust ba ito? Paglabag sa Constitution?
Yes, lahat.
Marami. Pero let's concentrate na sa hindi pagtanggap, please.
Wait. our
Parang kakanta.
ano kasi ako pause eh. Our impeachment complaint encompasses almost all the grounds except for treason and bribery, I guess. But culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, high crimes. These are all embodied in our complaint against Marcos Jr.
Ano yung offenses? Ano yung offenses? Ano yung offenses?
Sa ngayon, we will call for a press conference tomorrow
Kami para
para i-discuss yung details. Pero sa ngayon, yun yung statement namin. Ang hindi pagtanggap nito, pati yung endorser, kasi may endorser kami nandito. Pero siyempre, tatlo. Siyempre, nung nakita namin, nung na-inform kami na Makabayan Black, and may mga kasama tayo sa Committee on Rules, dun sa nangyari, medyo nagulat na kami. In fact, nakita nyo naman, mali-malita yung dala namin. Pero kung ganito yung mangyari, napakapangit naman. Hindi maganda. Sigurado kami, yung first impeachment complaint is a scam complaint. At yung Makabayan Black, genuine complaint yun. Sinusuportahan din namin yun. Yung complaint namin is a genuine complaint, full of evidences, dapat tinanggap ng Kongreso.
Sir, babalik pa kayo dito sa Monday?
Hindi.
Babalik pa kayo sa Monday?
Hindi kami babalik. More or less tatlo. Ayaw ni Jing ako mag-conclude. Pero pag-isipan pa namin. Pero as of now, dapat it should have been accepted, period.
Sir, more or less tatlo, are they reluctant endorsers?
No, they're not. No, they're not.
Ilan ang complainants at sino-sino? For the record.
Ang mga complainants...
Can I read the complainants?
Yes, please.
Okay. Complainants in this case entitled in the matter of the impeachment of Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Manuelito de los Reyes Luna, yours truly, Jacinto B. Paras, Ferdinand S. Topacio, Michael T. Defensor, Harold Respicio, Mary Catherine Diaz Binag, and Virgilio R. Garcia.
Is it fair to
David
call
Simpson.
supporters of the Vice President? Is it
What
fair
is-
to call supporters of the Vice President?
We are not supporters of the President. We,
Vice President.
of the Vice President.
Group daw kayo.
We are not supporters of the President, but we respect the office of the Vice President because he's the elected official of the land, second highest official of the land.
Pero
We are citizens of the Philippines and we are exercising our constitutional duty to file this impeachment to question the betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and graft and corruption and other high crimes of the incumbent President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Pero is it right to say na kayo po ay pro-Duterte group na nag-file?
irrelevant yan eh.
No, no,
Because
no.
this is not ano.
Saan ka? Saan ka? Pro-Philippines? Pro-people?
No, I just like
Yeah,
to
that's why I'm
reiterate na
Can I-
Right.
Bukas naman
Can I just answer that?
irrelevant at
This is a people's complaint. This is a people's complaint.
walang sala yan.
Wala. This is a complaint of the people of the Republic of the Philippines.
Sir, yung position sa Facebook, sir.
Excuse us. Sorry. Tomorrow, we will have a...
That's all.
Kita pa. Okay. Actually, this is the same color of ribbon that we wore during the successful impeachment of then COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista Jr. Impeach to eh. Impeach. Yun lang. Lalang.
Manny, one picture tayo.
Sorry.
One picture na lang.
Ayaw pa nila until received, syempre.
Kati, one picture ko. Nandyan, dun sa,
I-amend po ba?
Mare.
No, governor is part of the impeachment of the complainant.
Si Atty. Respicio.
Ay, si Harold, pumunta ka muna. Mamaya ka na mag-live kasi.
Is the complaint related to the infra budget?
All the budget. The entire budget.
Bukas.
All the violations.
Bukas na po.
Bukas talaga, promise.
Para lang
Sir, budget is
Hindi lang.
2023 JA, 2024 JA, and 2025 JA. Included.
Yung endorsers, haharap din po sa press con yung endorsers.
We don't know. We'll see po.
Paki-forward yung complaint.
Attorney, right
Secret.
Dapat sila, hinaharas sila eh.
Nakaharap sila?
Upon the request, we have to respect their wishes.
So is the arrest of former president?
Thank you everyone. Salamat.
Bukas na, bukas na.
Nagka-complaint, ganun mo.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Eden.
See you tomorrow.
Yung complaint, kompleto lang po
I-announce pa natin yung panahon kung saan.
Oh, lunch tomorrow, Max.
Ikaw na.
Press conference, Max Restaurant sa Circle.
What time po?
Anong gusto mo yung oras?
11.
O, lunch
Parang
time,
mabot
12
sa time.
o'clock. 12 o'clock.
10:30.
Dahil 11